what might you say to people or workforces who might feel hopeless for their jobs? And maybe as a coda to that, for those things, what are those things that are irreplaceable that we'll always have to find ways to make happen in our economy and society?
Look, it's your drive, right? It's your drive to learn and unlearn and relearn. The competition is not just in the shorter term anyway. It's not going to be AI. It's going to be somebody who is doing the job with AI better than you are. So learn the things that you need to learn to showcase whatever things that you want to do, and hone your craft. I will tell you, I can produce content faster than ever because of AI. I have a hope that my son will have a cure because of AI, right? So these are all optimistic things. These are not pessimistic things. I hope that our governments will be able to serve the citizens better with equal attention because of better data collection and better service mentality, right? So these are all optimistic things. So I'm not at all pessimistic about these opportunities, but I'm pessimistic in the sense that we're not very disciplined. Human beings are not disciplined. We're very messy, and we create all kind of unnecessary drama, wherever we go, and then we have to kind of pull ourselves out of it, right? I mean, but we somehow managed to survive this long. So I hope that we manage to do that going forward.
Well, that's as good a note as any for us to wrap on. Faisal, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your insights. I mean, this is a space that's changing so much all the time. And I think for all of us, we're just trying to keep up. We were talking before we went on stage about how, just even during the process of writing a book, it could change so much. So it's been very insightful for all of us. For people who have a copy of Faisal's book, he signed it already, but he's going to stick around to personalize it. And so we're going to have a lineup right here and a table where we can do that. If you don't have a copy of his book, we've got more available at the registration desk outside. Faisal, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me. It's been all